Kia started updated 2023 Mohave in South Korea. The body-on-frame SUV, which looks immediately recognizable, was given a light makeover to see it adopt brand new logo. The model also gets a revised Gravity variant featuring a glossy black exterior accent and black wooden trim. Speaking of the interiors, the 2023 Mohave has an updated steering wheel and new terracotta brown and taupe grey interior decorations. The Korean translation is a bit rough, but the model seems to be equipped with double glazing and a new standard multi-collision automatic braking system. The SUV features a new chassis mount and improved shock absorbers, so it's not the only upgrade. Kia states that these changes will significantly improve ride quality when driving on rough roads. Power will be supplied by a 3.0-litre diesel engine equipped with emission reduction devices to meet the enhanced requirements enforced in South Korea this year. Thankfully, this didn't affect performance. The engine is coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a standard 4-wheel drive system rated at 253 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque. Kia Mohave in 2023 is currently on sale and will start at 49.58 million won and rise to 58.71 million won.